Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove specific supports in Bambu Studio. So basically, if you have used the normal support right here, which is going to be this one. So if you want to remove these specific supports right here, you want to make sure that you are using the manual option. So in my case, I'm going to be using the tree manual. And then right after that, you can design or you can style it to whatever you want to, but generally we are going to use the support painting in order to achieve this. So click on this option, and then basically we have two functionalities on this tool, which is the left click and the right click. So since we are applying manual supports, I'm going to use that right here. Let's go ahead and increase our pen size to make things a lot easier. And now if you want to remove supports in different areas, it's going to be a lot easier basically. So navigate through the part where you don't want your supports to appear. In my case, it's going to be this one. And you could just use the right click functionality, which is the support blockers for our model. And then from there, it won't apply any support to this specific area where we have applied the support blocker. So I'm also going to apply it onto the face area because I don't want any supports appearing on one of the most crucial parts of my model. And now if we click on the slice plate option, we can see that there is no supports onto the areas where we have applied the support blockers. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.